Okay, let's look at this section view. I'm going to draw a section view through here, and the scale of this sheet you see is 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to go to another view. That's the second level. It's 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to go to the third level and make that 1/16 of an inch. Okay. So you see, in order to see each section view on each level, you have to you have to anticipate, I guess is a good name for it, that you assign to a view the correct scale so that you don't hide it. If you create a scale that's coarser than the one you created it in, okay? So, okay, you got it, right? Because if I create that 1/8 inch section in an 1/8 inch scale, it will show up at a view that is 1/4. It will not show up in a view that is a 1/16 inch. Trust me. Watch. Now this one, 1/8 inch, I created it and hide at scales closer than 1/8 of an inch. Now, I'm going to go to another view that is a different scale, right? 1/4 inch, but 1/4 inch is less dense than 1/8 of an inch, so therefore it's gonna show it. Now let's go to 1/16 of an inch view, which is our third floor. It can be a balcony, it can be any view, but we want to emphasize the scale and whether or not these views are showing, these section views are showing on the floor plan view with a different scale. Does that make sense? Because at a 1/16 of an inch, that view, if I was to look at that view, right, I can go to that view, go to view, right? I can go to that view, right? If I was going to go to that view, I can see that on the first level, where, right, I mean, where it's being placed, right, where it's being placed, right? I can do the same thing on the second level, because only because an 1/8 of an inch is more thick than 1/4 of an inch, or more dense, or more or less coarse. Oh man. Okay, so we got courses and dinners and we got dessert, and we got who's cooking in the kitchen, Anybody cooking? Anybody know who cooking in the kitchen? Somebody's cooking. And they cooking with scales. Okay, so now we got the 16th of an inch. So it is more dense than 1/8 of an inch. So it's not going to show up. So how do you know where the view is if you're on a view showing a view where the scale should be, but it's not? What do? Okay. What you can do is when you set a section, and there will be a lot of them. There will be many of them. Many. But if you set them at, and I'm going to say, this should be part of the template package. Set them at 1 inch is equal to 4 feet. That's dense. That's like a black hole. So just set it at that, and I shouldn't have any problems, because when I open up 3/16, for example, we should be able to see. 1/16 we should be able to see, and there's our section. So should be okay as long as you set the section at 1 inch is equal to 400 feet. Okay. So hope that helps. Good luck in your career. Good luck in your career, whether it's mechanical, plumbing, electrical, architecture. I think that's you work in architecture too.